Hey guys, today let's learn how to add money to Apple Pay. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and add funds over onto your Apple Pay application or your Apple Wallet, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how, so please watch this video until the end to learn how. Okay, so the first step is to go ahead, of course, on your iOS device, and I want you to launch the Apple Wallet application. Now what this is going to do is it's going to show you, of course, the Apple Wallet as well as your cards on there. But for those who don't know, on the new update of Apple Wallet, of course, this is going to be selected on selected countries only, and it won't be available on every country on the planet. So if you are if you open your Apple Wallet and see the Apple Cash card, well, you are in luck because your country has this option. So, of course, let's just go ahead and with the tutorial over here, I want you to go ahead, as I said a while ago, to open your Apple Wallet. Now, what that is going to do is I'm going to show you, or rather, it's going to show you your cards. I want you to go ahead and tap on your Apple Cash card because we do have this new option on Apple Wallet, which gives us a payment card on the Apple Wallet, and is called Apple Cash. So all we need to do from here, if you want to go ahead and add some money, is to basically go ahead now and tap on the add money option. Now once you tap on that, all we need to do from here is to enter the desired amount. And to enter the desired amount, of course, all we need, it's going to be a minimum of $10 basically. So once we're already here, all we need to do next is to enter the card details from which we want to get the funds from, to transfer the funds over here onto our Apple Cash. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and confirm the transaction using our Face ID, Touch ID, or even your password or passcode to your iPhone. And that's basically it for this tutorial, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like this video and subscribe if you learned something, and take care.